So Locust Projects is Miami's longest running alternative art space. This year we're celebrating our 20th anniversary of helping to support artists experiment and do ambitious, exciting projects.
The core of the show is America Hymnal. It's an artist book that I made last year. It consists of 100 different versions of My Country 'Tis of Thee. So people kept the tune of My Country 'Tis of Thee and changed the lyrics. It'll start at 10 a.m. and then it should be finished by 5 a.m. All of the 100 lyrics, differing lyrics, remain legible, and then I burned away the music. So the thing that ties all these differing versions of what it means to be American is gone, and just the differences remain, which felt like a way to talk about this political moment.
So Locust Projects gives artists the space, the time, the resources to come here, to experiment, and that's why you'll always see something different.
This project in particular is kind of a celebration on the civic work that I've been doing for over 10 years within my own community of Palm Grove. The images are of things within my neighborhood. So all the white rectangles you see on the wall represent the city blocks. Being that it's Locust Projects and it's all about experimentation, I wanted to kind of try something new, but this is quite new for me.